We made a post with Tracie the other day about the vortexes, and the vortexes seem to be something that's coming in for today's transmission. So what we want to say to you is these vortices or vortexes, they're coming in, they're opening up all around you. And you have been asked to step into these energies, and you can create it right where you're at. You can pull it to you, actually. And so if you're sitting down, just close your eyes and ask to be shown which way is your vortex going. And as Jason's doing that, which direction are you going? Are you counterclockwise or clockwise? Which do you feel in your body?
Well, when you was asking me the question, I was feeling clockwise, like going to flow with the clock.
Yes. We're feeling that on this side too, the clockwise. And so we say to you, you can set intentions. If you're ready to clear something out, ask for the counterclockwise vortex to help you clear this energy. But it is helping you to come into balance with your energy, these vortexes are. And so if you work with them, they're going to help you bring back in the balance. The energy that holds the magic of the planet is coming back into the planet. And that's going to be one of the questions. Lemurian energy is what we're going to be speaking about today. So remind us to talk about the magic with that, Jason. And we don't want to miss that piece, but we also don't want to jump ahead and get ahead of ourselves. But the vortexes are going to help us get ready for this balance of energies so that you can pull in the magic or bring in a more, we want to use fancy words for this, but basically what we're saying is you're going to be able to bring in a hyper-focused intention and creation, and you're going to expand in many ways if you get these energies in balance. So think of it as taking out the trash, right? You're going to sit in the counterclockwise and it's going to unwind the energy, and then you're going to ask to be in the clockwise energy, and it's going to bring in a new and higher frequency energy to take the place, and it's going to reset the system. And then your job is to hold and maintain that divine balance of the system. Rather, that divine balance to you means masculine, feminine balance, or it just means being able to keep your teeter-totter from tilting too much one way or the other. You find yourself in balance with it. And so great times ahead. Use your vortexes, use your helpers with the intuition and the psychic abilities. Use these tools that are being presented to you. Call them in, ask for the help. It's all around you. It's a perfect time to dive in and really hone some skills in for yourself.